Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the new wiring system in the Cybertruck, and also the new steer bar wire. So straight onto it. The new system, the new 48 volt rather than the 12 volt, is the new system we're using. Traditionally, the wiring and components are much heavier and to handle high electrical loads. However, in the 48 volts, the system can accommodate high loads with more efficiency, which reduces the size and the weight of the wiring. This translates to better vehicle efficiency, better handling, and production costs are lower. I.e., so we're talking Model 2. This is going to go into the Model 2, almost certainly. Why wouldn't we? So that's going to come in 2024, hopefully, and also the new Model Y to cut costs. The new system's going to go in there as well. Also, this might bring on a new range of accessories as well. We have to wait and see. But I think this system's going to go into the new models. Then steering, the new steering, what steer bar wire, because this system allows this to be done. The steer bar wire, revolutionary in the Cybertruck. This is going to go down to the Model 2 and possibly a new Model Y. So this is very exciting as well. The full lock is 170 degrees. The steer bar wire, the way it works basically is to understand is that the lower speed you go, if you're creeping in a car park and you're going to turn the wheel slightly, say like 10 degrees to the left, it will steer, the wheels will move more than if you turn the wheels at 10 degrees if you're doing 60 miles an hour. So basically, the lower the speed, it recognises the low speed, the system, and will turn the wheels more by turning the steering wheel slightly. Then if you're at high speed on a dual carriageway motorway and you're going to turn it just slightly, then the wheels will turn just slightly because you're doing that higher speed. So don't panic. It's not going to suddenly turn your wheels a quarter turn at 60 or 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that would be rather dangerous. And finally, just a quick note onto charging as well. This new system as well means that an 800 volts architecture at V4 chargers, what we're now installing everywhere, can do a 350 watt kilowatt charging. This equates to an 8 to 10 minutes, charging time for new Model 2, new Model Y. This will actually mean smaller batteries as well and cutting costs again. It's all about the costs. Costs. And again, this new system will mean at the V4 chargers, what are being installed across the UK now, or can take other vehicles as well as of course the new Cybertruck, when that eventually gets to the UK, and of course it's going to be all over America. They're rolling out V4 chargers now instead of other ones, the normal ones. It means just lower costs and more efficiency in charging. And a couple of little accessories I've got for Christmas are new Tesla mug, new diary. Got in a little bag from the Tesla garage at Exeter, a freebie. But if you go there, I'm sure you can buy them for Christmas gifts. And maybe, you know, your Tesla Christmas fan in the family would like one of those. Anyway, on that note, Merry Christmas to you. Or is it too early to say that? Don't know. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and enjoy your driving in your Tesla. Cheers.